Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to complete what is left of our tax 1. Tax 1 is all around knowing our customers better. We've got some information about our customers, their locality, how they were acquired, so their enrollment and their segments. So now, we are just going to look at those tasks we have not completed for tax 1. So this in red we've not done by gender, age distribution, then customer deposit, and by deposit band. So let's quickly check out our data set, our customer data set to see. So we have a column for date of birth here, so we can extract date, but we don't have for deposit. We won't be able to know deposit and deposit band. So we'll have to get additional data to actually get this. So first of all, let's extract age from date of birth. So we'll go back to transform data. So we are going back to Power Query now. So transform data. So we'll go to date of birth. Right click, we duplicate this column. So for date of birth, we'll go to transform. So click on transform. Then date, we'll change it to age. So this is showing us the age in days. So to get the age in years, we'll come to duration, then make it years, total years. So that will give us total years. But this is in decimal place. We have to convert this to a whole number. Then we'll come to rounding. We can just round up that number. So rounding up means anything from 0.5 and above, it rounds it up to the next highest number. So let's call this age. So to properly classify our customers, so using this age might be a whole lot of numbers. So we'll still insert a conditional column to properly classify these customers by age. So the next thing, to get our deposit, we'll have to go and get data. New source, Excel workbook. So our deposit is here. It's part of the tables in the customer data Excel. We'll click on that. So this is deposit right there. And click OK. So this is deposit sheet, customer ID, so all in the right format. So we are going to merge this table we are going to merge the deposit table with the customer table. So customer table, we'll go to merge queries. So on your home, under home. So by customer ID, we are merging by customer ID to deposit. So by customer ID. Yes. Then click OK. Yeah, they will now expand this table. Expand. So all we're interested in is the current deposit. So we are just going to select. No, we are not aggregating, sorry. So always remember to uncheck use original column name as prefix. Then we are interested in the balance amount. Yes. Okay. This gives us the deposit of these customers. Yes. So now we are going to do a band for the age and then a band for the deposit as well. Okay. So let's quickly get to that. Okay. We have our age. Let's see. Oh, we derived age for the churned customers. Yeah. So you're supposed to derive age for the customer table. Let's quickly derive the age for the customer table. So the same process, I duplicate this column. Let me just quickly remove this from here so that it won't conflict with the other table. So let's take that off. Since we are merging the table, so that it won't conflict. So let's derive the age on the customer table. Okay, on the customer table, we just go through the same process. Where's my age, date of birth? So we duplicate this column, date of birth column. Okay, duplicated. So transform date, age, to give, then duration, total years, then rounding, we just round up. Okay, so call this age. So let's just use a conditional column to add like an age band that we can just classify this by, the age and the balance by. So let's add column, a conditional column for age. So let's call this age, let's call it age band. So we are just going to do 3 brief bands for age. Say age, if age is less than, let's say 18, let's call it so they are not everybody. Okay, age less than, let's say 16, let's call this kids. So add another clause, if age so let's just put a number to it so to enable us sort. So when age is less than, let's say 28. So these are just hypothetical ages. Let's call this youth. Then else, just call this adult. Call it adult. So there's 03 adult. So that will give us the age band as just we want it to be. So just notes to change this to text. So the next thing is to do the same banding for deposit. So conditional column, call this deposit band. So that is if balance amount is, let's say if it's less than 20,000, say 01, or let's say if it's equal to 0, call it 0. If balance is less than 50,000, less than 50k. Just let's close this with 03. Greater than 50k. You can put as many bands as you want, but let's just stop here. Okay, so let's also make this text format. Yeah, so after all this, the next thing is to come to your home, close and apply. So this is, we've just included all the columns that we require to complete this task 1. So in the next video, we will be doing the charts, we're showing the charts that will complete our task 1. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.